In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete a WhatsApp status. Deleting a status is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Updates. After that, tap on the My Status button at the top. Now you'll be able to see all of the statuses you've posted. If you want to delete a specific status, simply tap on the three little dots next to that status and then tap Delete. If you want to delete multiple statuses at once, simply tap Edit at the top right. Then tap and select the statuses that you want to delete. And then tap on the trash can icon at the bottom right corner to delete them permanently. This is exactly how you can delete WhatsApp statuses. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.